everybody, welcome back to my channel. So I got my Boxycharm box. I think I got it like 2 days ago and I've just been sitting here with it. I did finally just open it just now and I cheated. This time, this month, I cheated. Normally I just open it right when I get on camera, so I'm surprised, but I did open it. I haven't played in anything. I just kind of took a glimpse of what was inside, and I'm happy. I'm very happy. So in case you guys don't know, for whoever doesn't know, Boxycharm is a subscription box that you get once a month for $21 a month for like full-size products. I used to get the Ipsy box, but then Ipsy bag, and I canceled that and only stuck with Boxycharm just because of the variety of stuff that they give, and then plus you're getting full-size products. I'm not bashing Ipsy or anything, but I did cancel that just to only solely keep Boxycharm, because Boxycharm to me is a really good subscription box. I don't have a coupon code or anything, but I will link them down below in case you guys want to join or sign up after I show you some of these products. So I opened it, and first thing you see is the little card, and on the inside it does tell you about each product, and it tells you how much it costs. So I will tell you what it costs once I go through here. So the first thing that I am going to pull out, which I was like, what? I have never owned any of these products, and it's the Brazilian Bum Bum Cream, like this. It says Janeiro, like Rio de Janeiro on the front right there, and it is 0.84 fluid ounces, and oh, it smells so good. It smells really good. So this is just a little cream. It says infused with all powerful guarana extract. I think that's how you pronounce it. So long story short, this retails for $10, and I cannot wait to try that out. The next thing that I pulled out was these, and it is a set of brushes. It says this set of brushes: precision foundation face brush, a tapered highlighting face brush, and a duo fiber powder brush. These retail for $42. Now that is a really good deal. Now like I said, this box is only $21, so this alone retailed for $42, and it's in here. So this is the tapered highlighter brush, and it's just pink with looks like rose gold up here. Really pretty. Oh, it feels so nice. Oh my goodness, I can't wait to mess with that one. And then the other two in here was, this one is the duo. I had to smell it. Something smelled sweet. It kind of smells sweet. That's weird. It's the Luxie Duo Fiber Powder Brush, and that is the end of it. And it's really soft on the tip right here. And then this last one is the Precision Foundation Brush. Like that. Really nice. I don't want to do that because I have a little bit of makeup on. Plus, I'm a little hot. So yeah, so $42 for those. Then the next thing that I'm pulling out is Jante Blue, and it's an eyeliner pencil in the color charcoal. And I normally go for black, but oh, this is nice. It kind of looks black, just, you know, not so black, but that's charcoal, so I definitely can use that. So that is also in here. When I seen this, I said, oh goodness. I always talk about how any subscription that I've ever gotten, I always get this color of lipstick. And this is by Ofra, and it says long lasting liquid lipstick, and this retails for $21. I am not going to open this. I will probably just hold out, do something else with it, because I have so many of this, you know, lipsticks and lip glosses that is this color, and I guess it's a universal nude color because the subscription companies usually send this color, but I don't need any more of that color, so I'm gonna just put that to the side. This next thing is by Baddington Lashes. I love the little box, so cute, and there's some lashes in here. I'm super excited by these. I cannot wait to try these on. Never even heard of this company, and these retail for $28. It says the 3D multi-layered Baddington Monroe silk lashes enhance your look with moderate length, adding a volume and length to your lashes. They're handmade with 100% silk and impressive durability, allowing up to 25 applications with proper care. So that's really cool that this was in there. And yeah, supposedly they're 3D, and they don't look to be super long and thick. Usually when I see 3D lashes, they're really long and curled over and really thick, and I just don't really care for those. But these look like I'll be able to mess with these. So yeah, what did I say? $28 for that. And last but not least, the last thing in here, also let me just show you guys, this was the theme, Caribbean. Now, do you guys say Caribbean or is it Caribbean? Caribbean? Put number 1 for Caribbean or put the number 2 for Caribbean in the comment section down below, and let me know which one you say. So I say Caribbean. So it's Caribbean Queen, and that was the theme, and I'm telling you that to show you this eyeshadow palette. Boxycharm is so good for giving you an eyeshadow palette. I have a couple from them, like, since I've started getting them, and I've been in love with every single one that they have sent. Now, before I show you these colors, this retails for $28. It says this palette features 8 highly opaque shades reminiscent of the beauty and culture of Cuba. Now, you know that's gonna be pretty. Dive into the pigments and pearls found in the intense metallics, or ground your look with the warm richness of the creamy mattes. For a more intense application, refer to the shade names that feature a water droplet that can be used with a wet brush, the sun symbol for an application with a dry brush. You guys, look at this palette. First of all, the packaging is just beautiful. Now, I did put my fingers on those 3, if you cannot see the little dots. Look at those colors. Beautiful. And this is just barely me putting my finger and rubbing it, and they are so pigmented. Look at that. Oh my God. Just those colors alone together is just beautiful. Let me do this orange and this burnt. It looks like orange and burnt orange, and those 2 are matte colors right there, and those 2 are these 2 right here. And let's try with this hand. Look at those. Very pretty. These are super pigmented, and those 2 right there. The only 2 I didn't do is down here. That's a brown matte color and like a burnt, like a, I don't know, I call that color Boston Baked Bean. It looks like one of those Boston Baked Bean candies, like a dark red burgundy type of, yeah. So this is super pretty. I cannot wait to play in that. When I seen it and just these 2 colors alone, I was like, I'm good. I'm good. I just wanted to share this stuff with you guys and let you know what came in my Boxycharm box. You know, I need to start watching other people do their unboxing, because I'm not too sure if everybody gets the same thing in their Boxycharm box. I don't know. I never really checked on that. So I will, when I'm done with this, I will go check out maybe 2 or 3 other people's Boxycharms to see if we get the same things, because that is very interesting, or something that I would like to know. So thank you guys all for watching. This is a cool box. If you don't have it, you should have it. I don't think they have a waiting list right now. Last time I knew they didn't have a waiting list, but like I said, I'll link them below. So thank you guys all for watching, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye.